Okay, a little video here to show how to service this lever here on the rear frame. So if you take a 3mm hex key, you can go ahead and undo this screw that retains this little plastic foot here. You'll see that there's one side with a spring on it and one side without a spring on it. So I'm going to start with the side without a spring on it and take the screw fully out. Try not to disturb the lever. Take that all the way out, and then I'm just going to poke the Allen key in there just to remove some of the stuff that's accumulated there. And then it's just a case of greasing the screw. So I'm just going to take the screw, dip it in a little pot of grease here, and put that back on. And it's really important to take one screw off at a time. If you take both off, then that spring, there's a good chance that spring will pop out, and it's a real faff to get that back in. So and when it comes to tightening up these screws, we want them to be tight enough that they won't come loose. But if they're too tight, they'll actually prevent this moving smoothly. So if you do find, as you're doing up the screws, this starts to bind, just back off a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do this side now. It's the same again. Just going to take this screw all the way out. Take this off. Again, I'm just going to try and clear out. I'm going to be really careful here not to disturb the spring. I'm just trying to pull out any dross that's accumulated in there. Okay, and then I'll just grease that screw just like before. Put a bit of grease on there. And then reassemble. Okay, and that should be good to go.